The following procedure is to be used to apply pre-treatment disinfectant and antimicrobial protectant to the interior of passenger cars, SUVs, and light trucks. This procedure uses an ultra-low volume sprayer to distribute both the interior disinfectant and protectant. All surfaces should be clean and free from dust and debris. The carpeting should be vacuumed prior to treatment. To prepare the vehicle, open the driver's side front and rear doors. Remove the floor mats from the vehicle and line them up side by side next to the rear wheel of the vehicle for spraying. Open the vehicle's ashtrays, glove box, and other compartments. Next, start the car. Finally, turn on the air conditioner and set it to recirculate, with the blower on medium setting. This will ensure that the air conditioning core and air ducts are disinfected and protected. Step 1. Applying the disinfectant. Pour the entire contents of the disinfectant bottle into the sprayer tank. Next, set the spray nozzle adjustment on the sprayer to number 1. This is the lowest setting. Note, at this setting, the sprayer will discharge the contents of the tank in approximately 90 seconds. Holding the sprayer in one hand and the hose spray nozzle in the other will allow you to accurately direct the spray and turn the sprayer off and on. Now you are ready to spray the interior of the vehicle. Starting at the driver's seat, turn on the sprayer. As the fluid begins to flow, direct the spray to the floor first, slowly moving from left to right and then back across the seat, and finally up across the dashboard. Soft surfaces, such as carpeting, will require more spray to treat than hard surfaces like the dashboard. This step should take no more than 30 seconds. When you are finished spraying the front, turn off the sprayer and move to the rear door. At the rear door, turn on the sprayer and direct the spray across the floor and rear seat, and then across the rear deck and cargo area. Direct the spray to the vehicle headliner, front and back. This step should take no more than 30 seconds. Move from the rear of the vehicle to the floor mats that have been placed by the rear wheel and be sure to spray each mat. Close the front door and fog the inside of the vehicle from the rear door with the remaining fluid until the sprayer is empty. Or if treatment of the trunk area is desired, use the remaining product to fog the inside of the trunk by directing spray around the trunk area. Close the rear door and let the vehicle sit for 10 minutes to complete the disinfecting cycle. Vehicle spraying step number 2, applying the protectant. Pour the contents of the protectant bottle into the sprayer tank. Fill the bottle with clean water and pour the water into the tank of the sprayer. Shake for 20 seconds to ensure a consistent mix. Additional water will allow more working time to apply the protectant and will not decrease the effectiveness if all the fluid is applied. Ensure that the spray nozzle is set to 1. At this setting, the sprayer will discharge the contents of the tank in approximately 120 seconds. In the same manner employed to distribute the disinfectant to the vehicle, spray the protectant, beginning in the front of the vehicle, moving to the rear and cargo areas, next spraying the floor mats, and finishing by fogging the interior or spraying the trunk area. When spraying is complete, wipe any excess fluid off the glass and clear plastic instrument panels with a clean, soft cloth. It is not necessary to dry the surfaces, just ensure that there are no standing droplets or fluid running down the glass. Close the rear door and let the vehicle sit for 15 minutes to complete the bonding cycle. Note, the vehicle can be turned off after 2 minutes of circulation. Finally, replace the floor mats and close the ashtrays and other compartments. The vehicle interior now not only looks clean, it is microbially clean and protected from the growth of harmful odor-causing germs, bacteria, mold, and fungus for 5 years.